How to share NGL link on Facebook story. What is up everybody? If you are trying to share NGL link on your Facebook story, this is how you do it. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have the NGL app installed on your phone. And then from here, you're going to have to simply log in, or if you already have created an account, you could just go ahead and continue with it. From here, you can choose your username and then click on continue again. And if you want, you could choose a photo, but I'm going to skip it for now. So once you have created your account, you will have the copy link option available right here. So what you're going to have to do first is beforehand, you're going to have to make sure that your Facebook is connected to your Instagram story, because there is no active option to add links on your Facebook story. So here, if I go ahead and add stickers on my Facebook story, there is no option to add links, so I cannot directly share the NGL link on my Facebook story. What I'm said is go to my Instagram and go to Account Center on the from your profile, then Settings, and then on Account Center, go ahead and tap on it. So what you're going to have to do here is make sure that your Facebook account is connected to your account center. And then you're going to have to go ahead on your NGL app, go ahead and open it up, copy link, and then once the link has been copied, click on share. Now it will show you the steps. Click on next step, and then click on next step from here. Now click on share on Instagram, and it will directly open up your Instagram story section, where you have an option to paste your link here. If you don't want this background, you can change it, but I'm going to keep it for now. And click on stickers here, tap on the link icon. Now paste the link that you've copied here and then tap on done. Now you're going to have to fit it right here so that it overlaps. And once that is done, all you have to do here is now share this on your Facebook story as well. So long and hold on your story option and select your Facebook story as well. Now tap on share and it will be shared to your Facebook story as well. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.